fruit platter is perfect for summer. It's absolutely delicious. You will love it. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. To make fruit platter, you need any fruit of your choice. Feel free to make use of any fruit that is available to you, alright? I'm going to start by cutting the watermelon. As you guys can see, I already take off the back. I cut it into strips, alright? But feel free to cut it into any shape of your choice. I'm still going to be making use of orange as well, and plum, and some grapes, alright? I just go ahead, cut the watermelon and set it aside. And I will cut the rest of the fruit as well and set them aside. If you are the type who doesn't like to eat fruit, making fruit platter or making fruit salad make it look more appetizing so you can enjoy more fruit, alright? You need fruit in your diet. Try to make a platter or a fruit salad, alright? To assemble the fruits, you need a tray. It doesn't have to be a round tray, alright? Just make use of whatever you have, alright? I go here with the orange. Once I'm done with the orange, I follow by the watermelon, alright? Just assemble it the way you like it, alright? If you are not comfortable using your hand with the fruit, wear gloves, alright? But my hands are perfectly clean. That thing that I'm using before is giving me headache, so I stopped using it and then I use my hand. No fair, so I be feeling day, alright? Just take a moment to appreciate the beauty. You guys is giving. The color is popping. I absolutely fall in love with the platter. It's like we should not eat it, but hey, we have to demolish it, alright? Once I'm done with the orange and the watermelon, I go in with the plum. I just fix the plum into the space where it's canting, alright? And I follow by the grapes. And that is it, guys. You can go ahead and put it in the fridge to chill a little bit and come back here to say thank you. Hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.